Take.
Thank you so much, guys, for liking my page, commenting. I keep reading all your messages on the girl with a magic wand. I'm the girl who has a magic wand in her hand, and I try and help you all. I try and give you daily readings. I hope you guys are resonating with that. I also keep sharing a lot of tips, small things, small rituals, maybe some simple rituals that you can try and that I'm so sure will benefit you. Today here on my YouTube channel, I'm doing a 3-card spread. Now this is something which is very interesting. I want you guys to focus on 3 cards. These are the messages that angels want to give you. Please understand that this is not a time bound reading. So whenever you see this message or whenever you see this video, that's when the angels want to kind of give you that message. So let's do. I will be selecting 3 cards. I want you to concentrate on those cards and select the card that you kind of get attracted to, or the card that you are, you resonate most. So this is card number 1, card number 2, and here is card number 3. So please focus on these 3 cards. Concentrate on these cards. See where you, for which one you get attracted. And there are a couple of angel decks that I'm going to use. Angel card reading also I'll be doing along with this. So should we start? So I'll start, interpreting. So this is 6 of Cups that I have. Then I have a Knight of Pentacles and I have a 2 of Wands. So card people who have selected card 1. Now let's see what you have selected. Along with this, I'll also try and tell you what is there, what angels are trying to tell me. Okay. So there are a lot of patterns that you guys are repeating in life. Okay. Now these patterns are kind of affecting your love life. They are affecting your career, or in relationship, or there are a lot of things that you are kind of repeating. Now these are some old patterns that you should get rid of. How to get rid of old patterns? There are a lot of tips that I have already shared on my Facebook page. One simple thing that you can do is maybe pray to angels that there are certain habits, some old habits that you want to get rid of, and you can start like a 21-day program where you are inculcating new habits in your life. So maybe that's one of the things. Second, the angels are also trying to tell me that there is somebody who's going to come back in your life. This could be your ex-lover, ex-husband, some soulmate who's going to come back. Now this is somebody who you had a relationship with. He might or she might try and approach you. Now there might be something, some spark or some unfinished business which is still there. Maybe some things that will come change your future, maybe for highest good. But there is one sincere advice from angels. They are trying to tell you that you need to really be sure. In case if you want to take a step ahead, you need to be sure about where this relationship is heading. Unless and until you're not sure, unless you don't know what it is, do not get carried away, or do not go with the flow. Try and be very assertive when it comes to saying no. You know where to draw your boundaries. You know when to say no. So be very particular about that. So now let's see the card number 2 that I have, or people who selected card 2 is Knight of Pentacles. Amazing card. This card is kind of bringing positive news to people who are into businesses, people who are focusing currently on their career. So you guys are on the right path, and the angels are trying to tell me that there are certain good things that will come your way. You need to understand, you need to learn, you get more information. In case if you're investing in anything, please don't blindly invest. Get information. If you are joining a new company, please see to it that your work-life balance is the criteria is met well. You are not, you don't want to end up slogging. So pray to angels to kind of give you a job that gives you peace, harmony, and a well work-life balance. So something that you should look at. Good news is coming. Your health will be improved. People who have BP, people who have high blood pressure, so I see your health getting improved. So that's again a very good news for you guys. Just be very particular about things that you are investing. You will also invest in new relationships. So I've got a card which is trying to tell me that you will be exploring new relationship. There will be people who you'll be meeting now. So it's a new beginning, rather it's some new good news is going to come your way. Happiness or some amazing changes are going to come your way. So be ready for that, and kind of have an open mind attitude, have an open minded approach towards life. Now card number 3 is Two of Wands. People whose travels are stuck, people who've not been able to travel since long, or something that's kind of delayed. Those things I see them happening now. So very soon all your things that were stuck, things that you were not able to were not moving in your direction, or a lot of projects, things that were kind of at fault, will be now moving in a particular direction, and in a direction that you are looking for. So it's an amazing news for those who are planning for a child. Very soon you will be blessed with a child. So this is amazing good news for you. People who are heading towards ending a relationship, again that will happen. People who want to kind of get divorced, people who don't want to be in a particular organization. So that is also, so I see a smooth transition of things in your life. It could be either at job front, it could be at the career or at the business, or even at your relationship fronts. I see a smooth transition happening. So don't you worry about what will happen and how things will move. It's going to happen for your highest good. Whenever you are feeling low, it is very important for you to kind of concentrate your energies. Maybe meditation will get you clarity in life. So that's again one of the message that angels are trying to tell me. So you can probably try like a 5-minute, or when you wake up early in the morning, maybe 5 minutes, something that you can do. Again, one interesting topic that I would like to tell you. So how many of you kind of get up with a sulky mood in the morning? So here is an amazing tip. 3 things that you can do to kind of energize or kind of increase the productivity of your day. So these are the 3 things that I do. I would want to share with you. These are amazing simple things that one can try at home. When you wake up, the first thing that you should do, rather than just waking up at an alarm or something of that sort, you should get up, switch off probably your alarm when you are in your subconscious state of mind, when you've just woken up. Maybe that time what you can do is just calm yourself, calm your system down. Your body takes like a 2 to 3 minutes to kind of wake up. So that time is something which is amazing. You can probably recollect or revise your goals in life, the certain things that you want to achieve. It could be anything. It could be buying a dream home, or buying a particular car, or 90% at certain exams, or anything that you have in life. Those certain goals that you have, you need to revisit those goals in your mind. You need to tell yourself that these are the things that I want to achieve and I will achieve. You need to visualize yourself completing those goals. So there should be an actionable plan that you should have in the mind. You should kind of revise that plan. It takes like 2 minutes or 5 minutes to maybe think about what is that you would like to do. The second most important thing that you should do is be grateful. That's amazing thing, and it has changed my life completely. It will definitely change your life. List down 5 things, and just remember those 5 things that are going to change your life completely. So just maybe certain things like, I am grateful for having XYZ in my life, or I am grateful for this amazing journey of mine, a career, or simply amazing parents, supportive in-laws, or husband, or a partner, or whatever that you have, or things that you have achieved on your own success. Maybe you are grateful to that. Maybe intelligence that you have in your brain, maybe you are grateful for that. So you need to again tell yourself those 5 things, count those 5 things that you're grateful for. And the last important thing that you should do is just calm your mind for say at least 2 to 5 minutes. This simple 5-minute meditation is definitely going to help you. Now, how to do this meditation? I know that thoughts keep coming in. Maybe you can just sit or lie on your bed for some 2 to 5 minutes, and whenever any thought comes to you, if the thought is about, if I want to visit this place, you just need to say yourself, give an assurity that yes, I will visit this place or whatever it is, and just say yes. Just accept the thoughts that come. You should not be building on those thoughts. Just simply accept the thoughts that come in your mind and just calm your mind. Focus on your breathing, maybe 7 to 15 breathings that you can take. Inhale, exhale, and that's about it. So this is how, just try and start your day with these 3 things and see how positively these things will, kind of impact your life, positively impact your life. Please try these things. Share your feedback also about the readings that we just now did. In case if you resonated with the reading, I would like to hear more about it. So please comment, please like our page, please subscribe. Thank you so much for listening.